I'm Connie, the author and creator of the Color Me Musical Piano Method. Today we are going to learn Lesson 2 in the first book of the series, the Adagio Piano Book 1. This book is linked in the description below. It's a link to the whole series of books, and it shows you what order to get them in. And if you want more information, more worksheets, games, even lessons with me, that's all available. Check out my Patreon account. All right, let's get started on Lesson 2. We learned about Dave in our Lesson 1 and a rest. Now we're going to learn his friend, Cade the Creature, who's orange. Cade is his friend, and he lives not in the cave, but right next to the cave. So on the piano, see, it's right here on this key, to the left side of the cave. Can you find where Cade lives on the piano? Find the two black keys, not the middle note, the left note. Now we play Cade the Creature with our thumb. This gets kind of tricky because you don't play with your thumb like this on the piano or like this. You have to keep your hand like this on the piano. See how it's almost like I'm just holding a little ball or a bubble in my hand. And when you do that, your thumb just lays on its side. So you're just going to play your thumb on Cade on its side with the rest of the hand all curved like it's holding a ball. Okay, let's put your right hand thumb on Cade, and we will play Cade the Creature. When you see Cade, you say his name. Cade, 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 Cade. Okay, stop the video and you try it. All right, let's go to the next song, Creature, Cade, and the Rest. We learned the rest last time, remember? You put your palms up and say rest. So this sounds like Cade, 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 rest. Cade, 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 rest. Okay, let's go to the next song. Ooh, look, Cade, rest. Cade, rest. And he's resting in the hammock like Dave was last time. I bet you can figure out this song by yourself because we did one just like it with Dave. Ooh, Cade loves, what's his favorite color? Orange. Okay, this has a mix-up of Cades and rests. So I'm going to let you learn this one on your own. And that's the songs for Lesson 2. Happy practicing.